I am super excited to tell you guys about this new product I just got. It's this super fun dream catcher by VUDECO, and it's actually a DIY macrame kit. So I'm gonna get to build my own dream catcher. Inside we have ring and all the rope you need, a doily and string and a needle for the middle, and a super helpful QR code for a tutorial video. Now there's a million reasons why you would want to get one of these, but for me it was just because I love dream catchers and I actually like making them myself, so I thought this was a really cool idea. So here's the first part that you'll do, and you can see I've added my own beads to make it special. So from here on out will be the macrame part, and I had so much fun doing it. I'm sorry about the shoes in the background, but you have to have something to hold your dream catcher on to be able to do the knots in the macrame. So the shoes had to be there. Woo! And here's the finished product. And I'm also gonna add some lights into it to make it look even more beautiful than it already is.